Are you tired of waking up every morning feeling lazy, unmotivated, and sluggish? If so, you're not alone. But what if I told you that one small change in your morning routine could completely transform your energy levels and productivity? The truth is, your morning habits determine the success of your entire day. And most people unknowingly sabotage themselves before they even get out of bed. Step 1. Stop hitting the snooze button. When you hit snooze, you're tricking your brain into starting a new sleep cycle. This leaves you feeling groggy and tired for hours. Instead, train yourself to wake up on the first alarm. Place your alarm across the room if you have to. Step 2. Stop checking your phone first thing in the morning. The moment you check social media or emails, you flood your brain with unnecessary information and dopamine spikes. This destroys your focus for the rest of the day. Instead, start your morning with a deep breath, gratitude, or a quick stretch. Step 3. Stop skipping hydration. Your body is dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Drinking water first thing in the morning jumpstarts your metabolism, clears brain fog, and gives you energy. Try a glass of warm water with lemon for an extra boost. Step 4. Stop neglecting movement. You don't have to hit the gym for an hour. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a short walk can wake up your muscles, improve circulation, and boost your mood. Step 5. Stop eating processed junk for breakfast. Your first meal sets the tone for your energy levels. Avoid high-sugar, processed foods that lead to crash. Instead, choose protein-rich foods, healthy fats, and complex carbs for sustained energy. If you want to stop feeling lazy in the morning, start by eliminating these bad habits. Your morning routine shapes your entire day and your success starts the moment you wake up. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and comment below. What's one morning habit you're changing starting tomorrow?